What if an AI could run your tasks while you focus on creativity?
AI agents can work for you autonomously, handling repetitive tasks. Imagine emails, meetings, and reports being done automatically. AI agents aren't the future. They're here today. Let's explore how autonomous AI systems work. AI agents are programs that perform tasks independently based on your goals. They can draft emails, schedule appointments, and even post content automatically. And AI agents analyze data and make decisions without supervision. They multitask faster and more efficiently than humans. Autonomous AI works by analyzing data and taking action independently. Many people ask, which AI agents are legit and reliable? Let's break it down professionally. AutoGPT is one of the most advanced autonomous AI agents for business workflow and tracking. Agent GPT can handle multiple tasks, track progress, and make decisions with minimal supervision. These AI agents are designed for businesses to scale faster, save time, and reduce human error. They can monitor campaigns, track KPIs, and alert you instantly when something needs attention. If you want your business to grow, you don't just need AI. You need the right AI agent that adapts to your goals. AutoGPT is great for autonomous project management, while Agent GPT is ideal for customer interaction and task automation. The key is legitimacy. Choose agents with proven track records, regular updates, and strong community support. Warning: this output is not consistent with the prompt. These agents don't just perform, they think. For businesses, that means smarter decision-making, faster growth, and automated monitoring of daily operations. Unlike traditional software, AI agents adapt to changing situations without constant human input. Some AI agents even analyze competitor data, optimize strategies, and suggest actionable steps for business growth. You get real-time insights, track your progress, and make informed decisions faster than ever. So which AI should you pick? Start with AutoGPT for autonomous project execution and Agent GPT. These are legitimate AI agents with proven capabilities, perfect for entrepreneurs, creators, and business owners looking to scale.